See, the meeting took place in a cordial atmosphere. We told them about our three main demands. The most non-negotiable demand is Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation or him being fired from the cabinet. Number two is the 1 crore compensation for the families of the dead NEET victims. And number three is that the FIRs that have been filed, 11 as per our last count, those FIRs have to be withdrawn and a sovereign guarantee has to come from the government that they won't proceed against any peaceful protesters or organizers in the future. That sovereign guarantee has to come. At the same time, we also told them about the further talks that we want to have with them on the 5-point policy demand charter that we had launched many days ago. That is to change holistically and foundationally the education system and to address the paper leaks. Along with this, we also told the government about the many instances of detention of young people in Delhi who were either on their way to Jantar Mantar or were going away from Jantar Mantar with food and other things. These young people have been detained and they have continuing to detain them since yesterday. The government told us, both ministers Nadda and Jitendra Singh ji, they told us that nothing of this sort is happening. However, there are instances, and for that they said that they are sure that nothing like this will happen from now on. So going back to our main demands, point number 2 and point number 3, the compensation and the FIR withdrawal and sovereign guarantee, the government is in principle okay with it and they are positive about this.
सरकार की ओर से मैं और मेरे साथ भारत सरकार के मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह जी बातचीत में शामिल हुए। उनकी बातें हमने सुनी, बातें सौहार्दपूर्ण वातावरण में हुई और कई दृष्टि से उन सारी बातों पर हर तरीके से चर्चा हुई। उनकी मुख्यतः 3 डिमांड्स थी और 5 सुधार की दृष्टि से परीक्षा के लिए सुझाव थे। हमने उनको कहा कि हम कल आपके साथ दोपहर बाद मिलेंगे और फिर हम अपने जो आपको बताएंगे।
हमने पोजीशन क्लियर कर दी है, स्टूडेंट्स ने पोजीशन क्लियर कर दी है। जो उनकी मांग है उसे हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान is a criminal education minister. He has to be removed. He is a symbol of the collapse of our education system. He has to go. He is the reason. He is the reason my brother has got shot. He is the reason thousands of people are outside. He has to go.